Hello Jolly Natex! Meron kami na-discover na auto care center that offers wide varieties of car care and detailing services. Inyong maganda pa nga dito, comfortable kayo makakapaghintay dahil may cafe na rin sila dito. We are here today at Vibes Auto Detailing and Cafe na located along Aguinaldo Highway, Imus, Cavite. Ito naman yung mga available services nila from car wash, exterior and interior detailing, ceramic coating at marami pang iba. We avail their signature car wash na depende sa size ng auto nyo kung magkano. May kasama na yung car wash, interior cleaning and vacuum. And tulad nga ng sabi ko, habang naghihintay kayo, pwede kayong mag-chill dito sa kanilang Coffee Point Cafe. Ang cozy and spacious nga rin ng cafe nila dito with their modern industrial design. Affordable nga rin yung mga drinks nila dito. We tried some of their offerings tulad nitong Americano Ice, Spanish Latte, Dirty Matcha, and yung pinaka nagustuhan kong Caramel Latte. Aside from that, may mga non-coffee din sila dito tulad na lang nitong Matcha Latte and Strawberry Milk. And aside sa mga drinks, masasabi kong masasarap din lahat ng breads and pastries nila dito. Tulad na lang nitong kanilang ham and cheese bread na para kang kumain ng Italian pizza. Chocolate chip banana cake na moist and dense at naghahalo yung banana essence at may pagka-dark chocolate taste. Meron din silang pano chocolate na soft and flaky tapos ang sarap ng pinaka-choco filling. Must try nga rin yung kanilang mga cinnamon bread. They have the choco and classic cream cheese, parehas masarap, soft pero siksik. Tapos hindi nga rin ganun katamisan, napaka-solid nito for me, promise. There you go Jolly Natex, if naghahanap kayo ng car care center that offer wide variety of services, at the same time comfortable at chill lang kayo maghihintay while enjoying quality drinks and food, subukan nyo na nga rin dito sa Vibes Auto Detailing and Cafe. Open sila dito daily from 10 AM to 9 PM.